2. Question number 1. The question is on calculation of the angles, and there are parallel lines given here. AB and CD are two parallel lines in which this angle is written 50 and this angle is given 120, and it is written find the value of x and find the value of y. In the figure, find x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. Now, is AB parallel to CD or not? That we have to prove. This angle is 130 degrees, sorry, not 120, it is 130 degrees. So we will find angle x, and this is a straight line. Since this is a straight line, 50 and angle x will become angles on a straight line. So we can say, how will you write the steps? So you will write, since AB is parallel to CD, therefore angle x plus 50 will become 180, and they are angles on straight line. So you have to give reason. Without reason, the answer is not considered correct. So angle x becomes 180 minus 50, which becomes 130 degrees. So this becomes 130 degree. Now we have to find angle y. So since this angle is 130, angle y and 130 will be same. Now why are angle y and 130 degree same? It means angle y is also 130 degree. Why is angle y 130? Because it is vertically opposite angle. So I will give reason that the angle is equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Now we have found angle x was 130 and angle y we have just now found also 130. And now we have to show that AB is parallel to CD. Now in this figure, if I don't mention this as a parallel line, which I have written here, still I can write this because I am not using a parallel line property here, and here also I have not used property of parallel line. So this sentence I can omit. I don't have to write this sentence because the lines are not shown parallel. We have to prove them parallel. So this sentence will not be written here. We will prove lines are parallel. Now I will write, since angle x is 130 and angle y is 130, they are on the opposite side of transversal. So this is a transversal, the line which cuts the two parallel lines. So since this line is a transversal cutting the two parallel lines, therefore angle x and angle y will be alternate angles. So we will write, since angle x is equal to angle y, they are both equal, they are 130 degrees, so they are alternate. And alternate angles are made by parallel lines. So we will write the converse property that alternate angles are made by parallel lines. Therefore, lines are parallel. So in the end I can write, therefore AB is parallel to CD. This is how you will do this question number 1 by giving reason. So you have to give reason and then prove it. Now next question, question number 2. In question number 2, there is again in question 2 there are some lines given and it is written that they all are parallel. So first line, second line and third line are cut by a transversal, and this is written x, this is written y, and this is written z. So three lines are shown and they are called AB, CD, EF. If AB is parallel to, now since all the three lines are parallel, this arrow is the symbol of parallel lines, so I will mention since AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, since all three lines are parallel, therefore we can use property of parallel line. Therefore angle X and angle Y, these two angles are between the parallel lines. So, and it is given that angle Y ratio Z is equal to 3:7. This is given. The ratio of Y and Z is 3:7 and you have to find X. Now using this we will solve the other parts. Since angle Y and Z are in a ratio, we can write let angle Y be 3p. This is a ratio. So they are in a ratio, so I will name them as another 7p. So the two ratios are in another name now, and we will use these names here. That angle Y and angle Z are 3p and 7p. So since this angle is 3p and this angle is 7p, so this angle will be 3p. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So I can find this angle first, and I can call this angle as, so you have to mention this name. Let the angle be W. I am calling it W. So this angle I am calling as W. So W plus Z will be 180. They will be co-interior angles. Their total is 180 because they are co-interior angles, and co-interior angles are formed between two parallel lines. So this is an important thing. And now angle W, we know that this angle W is equal to angle Y because they are vertically opposite angles. Y and this angle will be vertically opposite, so they will be both same. And angle Y was already 3p, so both will become 3p. And angle Z is already written 7p. So I will write W as 3p plus 7p is equal to 180. 10p is equal to 180 and angle P is equal to 18 degree. So P comes 18. If P comes 18, then I can say that angle Y is equal to 3p, angle Z is equal to 7p, where I will put the value of P into 18. 7p will become 7 into 18, and angle X we will find after this. So this angle becomes how much? 54 degrees. Okay, and this angle becomes 126 degrees. So first you will find the value, then you will put the value and you will get two answers. And angle Y and angle W we have found. X and W will also be co-interior angles. So you will get the value of x by co-interior property. W is already given 3p. W is equal to 3p, which means angle y is, we have already found 54. So since this angle is 54, this angle x will come by again using co-interior property. Angle x plus angle y is equal to 180. They are also co-interior. Angle x will come, put the value of y 54, and angle x will come 126 because they are co-interior angles. So you have found three answers in this question: angle x, then angle y, and angle z. So three angles are found: angle y, angle z, and angle x, giving reasons. So you have applied the property of parallel lines in this question. So hope you have understood. We will continue the next question in the next class.